In this quick guide, we'll show you how to replace the cartridge in your stylish bathroom faucet step by step. First, let's review the materials you will need: a new cartridge, an Allen wrench, and a plier wrench. Once you have these tools ready, let's get started. Before removing the cartridge, make sure to close the shutoff valves to avoid water leaks. Locate the cap underneath the faucet handle. Use an Allen key to loosen the handle and pull it upward to remove it. Unscrew the cartridge cover using your hands. Use a plier wrench to unscrew the cartridge nut. Pull out the old cartridge once the nut has been removed. Ensure the cartridge chamber is completely clean and free of debris. Insert the new cartridge, making sure to align the prongs with the cavity holes. Insert the cartridge nut and tighten it again using the plier wrench. Use your hands to screw the cartridge cover back into place. Position the handle back on and secure it with the Allen key. Finally, place the cap back underneath the handle. Don't forget to open the shutoff valves to restore water to your faucet. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully replaced the cartridge in your stylish bathroom faucet.